Hello everyone, welcome to Richer Chinese Language. And I am your Chinese teacher, Richard. Yeah, and today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday in Chinese is 星期二. You can also say 周二. And also you can say 礼拜二. Either way is okay. So since today is Tuesday, I'm going to talk about HSK level not 2 today. I'm going to talk about level 3. And why? Because there are some technical problems, and that's okay. Today, I'm going to talk about HSK level 3. Okay? So what's the grammar today? The grammar today is very, very important. So please, my students, pay attention. I still remember last time we talked about this word, and that is how to use 把, right? In HSK level 3, lesson 14. We have talked about this previously, 把. But let's also 把 means get something ready. Okay, 把 has a function. It indicates something at your hand, so you need to get something ready. So all the time you need something. You need something after 把. But last time we talked about the complement of result. 结果补语, which means like 完了 or 好了. Today I'm going to talk about something different. And if you don't watch my previous video about this grammar, please you go back and go over this topic. I'm not going to talk about this today. I'm going to talk about another usage of this magic word. 把. So let's go. And today, I'm not going to talk about the complement of result anymore. I'm going to talk about the complement of direction today. It sounds a little bit difficult, but don't worry. I'll talk about it slowly, and you are sure to understand. So the sentence pattern of 把 today is subject. All the time we need a subject in Chinese, also in English, right? Subject first, then class 把. Okay, this is our magic word today, which means to get something here, something ready, okay, for the next action. 把, I'll say that again. 把 means to get something ready for this action, for the next action. Okay, so that's the function of this word 把. So absolutely we need something after it. Get something ready for the next verb. Okay, 把 something verb. Then at the end of the sentence we need something, we call it complement of direction. 趋向补语. 趋向补语. Once again, please don't worry about the grammatic term here. It is not important at all. You need to know how to use it, and that's the key point. It's okay if you don't want to remember this. This is not that important. So I'll give you one example sentence to make sure you understand what is 趋向补语. Okay, so example sentence 1. Okay, are you ready? Hopefully you're ready. Okay, 同学. 同学 means 同学 is the subject. Okay, then we use the magic word today, 把. And remember that we always need something after 把, right? So in the sentence, 书本. 书本 is the something, right? 书本 means book. 同学 means like classmate. 书本 something. So it's like the classmate get something ready, and the something is the book, 书本. And then we need a verb, right? We need a verb. 拿 is the verb. 拿 means to take, to take. So it's like actually my was omitted. My classmate get the books ready to do something, right? So the next action is to take. Then we need a complement of direction. You take something and then 出来. 出来 is the complement of direction. 出来 means out. O-U-T, out. So 拿出来, you need a verb. Then you need a complement of direction. Right now, the direction is out. Out, right? So it's like that. My classmate took, like got something ready, right? Took the book, what? What's the direction? Yes, out. Out. So it's like my classmate took the book out. Okay? Can you understand that? My classmate got something ready, and the something is book. My classmate got the book ready and took it out. So the direction is out. So if this is the book, my classmate take the book out, maybe from his book bag, maybe take out. So the out, the direction out is the complement of direction. Direction out. The direction is take out from, like, maybe his book bag. Okay, so that's the way we use it. Next time is a little bit different. Today is for direction. Take 拿出来, take out, take out. Okay, then the second example sentence is 请你. 请你 is like please, you do something, right? 请你. Okay, then plus our magic word today, 把. And what should we have next? Yes, the magic word. The magic word today, 水. The magic word today, 把. Then we need something after 把, right? Our magic word need a something always. 把水果. 水果 means fruit, right? 水果 means fruit. Okay? 拿, once again, to take. Okay? And the complement of direction right now is not 出来, out. It's 过来. 过来 means take here. 拿过来 means take here. Take the fruit here. Okay? So 请你把水果拿过来, which means please, you got the fruit ready. You get the fruit ready and take it to me. Take the fruit to me. 过来 means to me. Okay, to here or to me. So that's the way we use complement of direction. 过来 means here. Take something here. 出来 means take something out. So all the time we need a direction in this place. Okay, so I'll read the sentence for you. 请你把水果拿过来, which means please, you get the fruit ready and take the fruit here. Okay, 拿过来, take something here. Okay, so that's the way we use complement of direction. Okay, remember to use 把 subject, then we use 把. All the time we need something here, and then we add the verb, and then 出来 or 过来. Okay, so that's the direction. 出来 means out. 过来 means take something here. Okay, I'll give you the last example sentence. The last example sentence, wait a minute. 好，他 Okay, I don't give you the grammar anymore. Think about it. 他 is the subject, right? Then what do we need? Yes, 把 our magic word today. Then what do we need? Yes, the something. Something here right now is 茶 tea. So he got the tea. He got the tea. And what do we need next? A verb, right? A verb. The verb right now is 放. 放 means to put. To put. Okay, to put. Then we need a complement of direction. And right now the direction is 回去. 回去 means back. B-A-C-K. Back. And you can add a place here. 回房间去. Like put the tea back to the room. Put the tea back to the room. You can also go without. Okay, that's okay. So 他把茶放回去, which means he put back the tea. He put back the tea. Okay, so complement of direction means you take something or you put something in a direction. So right now we have already learned 3 kinds of directions here. The first one is 出来, which means take out. 出来. The second one is 过来, means take something here. Take something here, which means 过来. And the other one is 回去. 回去 means like take back or put back. 回去, put back. Okay, so today the key point is 把 something, verb, 把 something, verb, then we give something a direction. Okay, we give it a direction here. Okay, in order to make you better understand this sentence pattern, let me give you some quizzes so that you understand it better. Okay, so the quizzes, get ready. Okay, write the numbers in the comments. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this is the quiz for you. 1. 把 2. 丽丽 3. 电视 TV, right? TV 4. 过来 This is the complement of direction. 过来 means take something here, take something here, or put something here. 5. 搬 搬 means to move or to carry. So carry something here, right? Okay, so my viewers, today I only have one quiz for you, this one. So be sure to write down your answer. Put the numbers in order. This is the only quiz for you today. So be sure to do this one. Okay? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, my students, my viewers, what do we need first? Remember the sentence pattern. Yes, we need a subject all the time. 丽丽 is the subject. What do we need next? Yeah, we need the magic word today, 把, right? 丽丽把. Then what do we need next? Remember it all the time. Pay attention, please. 把 means get something ready. 把 means get something ready. So all the time we need something after 把. 丽丽把, what's the something here? Yes, 电视 TV. 电视 丽丽把电视 like Lily got the TV ready. And we need a verb, right? What's the verb here? What's the verb here? Yes, 5 is the verb 搬. 搬 means to carry or to move. Okay, 搬. And then we need what? Yes, we need the complement of direction. We have 过来回去 something like that, right? They are all complement of direction. 过来 like here, right? Take something here, move something here, carry something here. Okay, so the correct order is 2 1 3 5 4 2 1 3 5 4. Hopefully you got the correct answer. And right now I'll read the complete sentence for you. 丽丽把电视搬过来。丽丽把电视搬过来 which means Lily like moved the TV here. Okay, Lily moved the TV here. If I translate it literally, it would be Lily got the TV ready to move it here. But it's not like English. But that's the way Chinese means here. Okay, the sentence means here. Okay, so 丽丽把电视 verb 搬 complement of direction 过来. Lily moved the TV here. Okay, hopefully you understand it. And of course you have homework. The homework today is very easy for you. Okay, so remember to do your homework, and also do your homework in the comments below, so that teacher Richard understand if you are familiar with this Chinese grammar or not. Okay, so this is your homework, so simple. Okay, 弟弟弟弟玩具拿 Okay, 弟弟 means younger brother, right? Younger brother. 玩具 means toy. T-O-Y, toy. 拿 again means to take. Okay, right now I want you to use our magic word today to complete this sentence. And of course we have complements of direction here. You can use either one you like to complete this sentence. Okay, so please complete this sentence with today's key point. Okay, the magic word and the complements of direction. 弟弟巴拉巴拉巴拉玩具拿巴拉巴拉巴拉. Okay, you can use either one of the complements of direction. Okay, so homework today, take a close look. Okay, hopefully you can see it clearly. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like today's lesson. And my friends, please share this video if you like it. And I have my YouTube channel. Hopefully you can subscribe for me, support me. And I will offer the links in my post of my YouTube channels. I have 2 YouTube channels right now, so please, if you haven't subscribed, please do it for me. And you can also learn some interesting Chinese in my YouTube channel. So hopefully you can help me with that. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. And tomorrow is Wednesday, 星期三, 周三. Because today I talked about HSK level 3, so tomorrow I'll talk about HSK level 2, hopefully. Okay, so see you next time. See you tomorrow. Okay, see you, and hopefully have a nice dream. 祝大家晚安，祝大家好梦。我们明天见，再见，拜拜。